Namaste, my name's Raven, I'm from the UK and I have just finished my 200 hours here at Vinyasa Yogashala. I really think that your school chooses you, so if you're here and you're exploring it, I think it's already speaking enough to you that you know what to do. Personally, my experience here has been faultless. From the day we arrived, I actually arrived a day earlier, and I recommend other people do that because as soon as you start, it starts straight away. You're awake, depending if it's summer or winter, you're awake from 5 a.m. and straight into your classes. The things that you learn are second to none. You couldn't even write them. You couldn't imagine what you're going to learn. And honestly, I think that any worry that you would have between coming to India, coming to Rishikesh, choosing a school, I think they would settle themselves the day you arrive. So yeah, I really recommend choosing this school. I really have to say a huge thank you to all the teachers, all the people that I met, and I could say I hope that the same for you, but I know it would be amazing. So, namaste.